Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Realme 16. First, check the volume levels by pressing volume up to ensure media volume is at maximum. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, and make sure media volume is turned all the way up. Next, clean the speaker grill at the bottom of the phone to remove any debris that might be blocking sound. Then, disable Bluetooth to ensure audio isn't being routed to another device. Restart your phone by pressing power and volume up, then swipe up to restart and refresh the system. I'll see you once the restart is done. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, then click Software Update. If an update is available, click Download and Install. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.